beautiful Nicolettes, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. Today is going to be the first video for a few videos that I want to do on this. So this is going to be episode 1 of DIY face masks. I did a video like this a few months ago on a bunch of different face masks, which I'll link down below, but I thought I would do a series on DIY face masks for specific skin issues. So as you can tell by the title today, I'm going to be sharing 4 DIY face masks for acne prone skin. So if you want to try and get rid of acne and pimples, then this is the video for you. If you guys want to see other DIY face masks, whether it's for acne scars, oily skin, dry skin, you name it, leave your concern and I may do episode 2 on that one. Before I jump into it, I always like to throw out a disclaimer and tell you guys that of course all our skins are different. I have very sensitive skin. It's worked very well for me, these masks, but of course our skins are different, so it's really important to test patch before applying it all over your face. I will link any other skincare related videos down below. If you guys use any of these masks, make sure to tag me on my Instagram. It's at NicolettaXOYT. And that being said, let's jump into it. As I said, I am going to share with you 4 DIY face masks that are really great for acne prone skin. These face masks work all really well on my skin, so hopefully they work well for you. Before you apply any mask onto your face, you need to make sure that your face is clean completely. So I always go in and just wash my face so that you have a clean slate. Once you do that, it is time for the masking game. So the first one is super simple. This is just the Aloe Vera and tea tree oil mask. All you have to do is apply 1 tablespoon of aloe vera, and then you're going to take a few drops of tea tree oil. I'm just using my tea tree oil from the Body Shop. I always use this one. I'll link it down below for you. And then once you do that, you're just going to mix it all up. But aloe vera gel is super effective because it has skin healing and scar fading properties that are really going to help reduce any acne that you have and scarring. The tea tree oil is considered to be one of the most powerful natural remedies to help treat skin infections and also to reduce inflammation. So once you have the mixture, you're just going to apply it all over the skin. This mask feels super cooling on the skin. I love the way that this mask made my skin feel. You're going to obviously avoid your eyes when applying the mask, and you're going to keep it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once you have it on for that long, you're just going to wash it off with some cold water and then pat your skin dry. You can use this mask every other day if you really want to help treat your acne and minimize or fade any acne scars that you have. So this is one mask that you can use a little bit more frequently than the others. The second DIY mask is the Nutmeg and Honey mask, and you only need 1 tablespoon of nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of honey, and then you're going to take about 2 to 3 teaspoons of milk. Once you have all these ingredients, you're just going to mix it all together until you kind of have like a paste consistency. But this mask is super great because nutmeg has been used for many, many years because it has potent anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. So it's really going to help to reduce any swelling of pimples, help with clogged pores, and as well as balance your oil control. While the honey is really great for healing and it's super hydrating to your skin. And lastly, the milk is really great because it's a gentle exfoliate and it helps the top layers of your skin and also helps to fade fine lines. So once you have the mixture made, you're just going to apply this all over your skin, of course avoiding your eyes, and you can keep it onto your skin for 10 to 15 minutes before you wash it off with some warm water. For this mask, I do like to do it more once a week. The third DIY mask is the baking soda mask. Of course, you're going to need to start off with some baking soda. I put 2 tablespoons into a small bowl and followed it up with 2 tablespoons of water. And then I just put a few drops of lemon juice. Make sure that it is fresh lemon juice when you do this, and then you're just going to mix it all together until it is a paste consistency. Baking soda is super great because it balances the pH levels of your skin, and pH imbalances can lead to acne. Baking soda also helps to dry out the acne, and this is great as well if you are prone to oily skin. Also a very great exfoliator and really helps remove the dead skin cells and prevent future breakouts and blackheads. blackheads. Adding the lemon to the mask is really great because lemon juice disinfects your skin and it removes the excess oil, and it's going to make your skin feel tight because it acts as a toner as well and closes your pores. But once you do have your paste, you're just going to apply it all over your skin, avoiding your eyes as always. Let it sit there for 10 minutes and then you are going to rinse it off with some warm water. And let me tell you, this mask made my skin feel super soft, especially where the nose is, where all your blackheads are. It's going to get rid of that. It's going to make your skin feel so soft and smooth. You can use this mask once a week or sparingly whenever you feel like you need it, but definitely not more than once a week. And the final DIY mask is a turmeric mask. To start off, you're going to need 1 teaspoon of plain yogurt. Then you are going to move on to putting 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and to finish it off, 1 teaspoon of honey. Once you put this all into a bowl, you're going to mix it all together until it is a paste consistency. Turmeric powder is super great because it helps to destroy acne bacteria that causes the inflammation. It also removes excess oil from the skin, and it also has a lot of antibacterial, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties that are really great for treating acne. Yogurt is a superfood, so it has antibacterial and antifungal properties. It helps to kill existing acne and stop further breakouts, and it also helps to improve your skin tone. And of course, like I said, honey is just a very great ingredient for hydrating and nourishing the skin and to really keep your pores clean and clear. So once you have the mixture, you're just going to apply it onto your face, avoiding your eyebrows, your mouth, and your eyes, and you're going to keep it on for 20 to 30 minutes before you rinse it off with some warm water. When I took this off, you need to make sure that you also wash your skin with a gentle cleanser because it is a turmeric, and turmeric does leave an excess of yellow, but once you rinse it off with your cleanser, it won't leave anything after. And before you do remove it, make sure to massage it into your skin for 2 to 3 minutes. But this is just an overall amazing mask for acne. You can also use this mask once a week or sparingly whenever you need to use it, but not more than once a week. And of course, using any of these masks, you always need to follow up with a moisturizer. So take either an oil or a moisturizer. I'm just using my Aveeno Daily Moisturizer. This is super great for acne prone skin. I really love this one. I will have it linked down below for you. This has just been my moisturizer I use on the daily. But like I said, it's just really important that you do moisturize your skin after using any of these masks. That is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thumbs it up if you liked it and if it was helpful. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to keep seeing more of these because there will be another one coming soon. So stay tuned for that. And I do upload every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. So you guys can always come back and check my channel on those days. But I hope you guys are having an amazing day, evening, or night whenever you're watching this. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!